Presenting the 2011 Toyota Tundra. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power outlet, power windows, power mirror, 4-wheel drive, rear head airbag, passenger airbag sensor, split bench seat, 4-wheel disc brakes, and pass-through rear seat. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.